fun to do. I'm so bored. Wait, did you see that?
Oh, I saw the glowing light too. It came from the basement. Come on, let's go check it out. Don't be scared.
This basement is kinda creepy.
It looks ancient.
Why is it so dark
Look
down
at those
here?
glowing symbols.
Oh, what is that? Did that box just move?
I think the box is magical. Careful, Sami, careful.
Should we open it or run away? Aha! That's a goat.
A
I
talking
am the
goat?
greatest guardian of the
Wait,
treasure.
goat can talk. Okay, this is officially weird.
Only children who know Pashto may continue.
Only children who know
What has
Pashto.
happened in
Oh,
Pashto?
banana. Wait. I know this. Maybe watermelon?
Pizza.
Kids,
No,
help us quick.
apple is not pizza.
What is apple in
Say
Pashto?
it together. 3, 2, 1. Louder.
My brain stopped working. Hurry before something bad happens.
Hurry, my
Marna,
brain is
Marna.
overheating.
Marna!
Oh, the carpet
Boom!
moved.
Finally,
Look,
the boss
Why is
woke
the
up
floor moving?
after all these years.
This door is opening. Look, stairs. This is awesome. Oh, this place is magical. Look at those glowing walls.
I think this is secret passage.
I hope there is snacks down here.
I can't believe this is under our house.
This is incredible. Look at the glowing walls.
Hey, the goat stole Bolani again. This is actually super cool.
Everything
Wow.
down there is magical. I
Look at
wonder
the
who
flying
built this
carpets.
place.
Count to 5 in Pashto.
Okay, I can count.
You're
1,
even worse.
2.
Guys, help us count to 5. We can do this together. Iyaw, 2, 3, salute.
Bashumanu, our language is not just words. It carries our stories, our memories, and our hearts. Never forget where you came from.
Wait, what is that? Why is the sky open? Oh, I don't
Why
think
is
this
the
is
sky
good.
glowing?
Guys, we
Something
should
no.
strange
run.
is happening. I think a new adventure is
We're
starting.
in big trouble
Hey,
now.